Performing kettlebell pendulum swings. A pendulum swing is a mixture of a kettlebell swing and a squat. So as you perform your swing, you're actually sitting back and down into a squat position. This takes a lot of coordination and a little bit of fearlessness. So what you want to do is start by swinging, a conventional swing. Hinge from the hips, keep your core nice and tight, squeeze your glutes to extend the hip and stand upright. Start in that movement and then work your way into a squat. So it looks like this. Step back and away from the kettlebell, start creating a little momentum. Put tension in your glutes, core, and lats. Begin your swings. Come up to the top, and then as you bring the kettlebell in front of you, that is where you want to squat. So it's this. You can alternate, swing down, swing down. You can go up, down, or any combination thereof. But this squat and swing is the pendulum swing. So I'm keeping my core incredibly tight as I'm sitting down into my squat. It is an absolute glute burner. It burns. And it requires a ton of core stabilization. That is a kettlebell pendulum swing.